Hey, what's going on guys? It's Van here. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to build an email list for affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to help you to increase your opt-in rate. I'll also give you the examples for you to model and deploy immediately. I recommend you taking notes during you watch this video because so much content which is valuable. Now, my goal on this channel is to help you to build a long-term and profitable online business so that you will have more free time to do anything you want in the future. My videos is all about online business, affiliate marketing, organic traffic generation. So if you are interested, consider subscribing. If you want my exact formula, my strategy that helps me to quit 9 to 5 with affiliate marketing, you can click the link in the description. But watch this entire video first. That's why you are coming from, right? First thing, we talk about lead magnet. We give away something to exchange people's emails, right? Now, the purpose of lead magnet is to help people to take the first step, which is actionable. It's not about you give away the random, PLR product, which is really low quality, okay? The purpose of lead magnet is to prepare them to buy. So you need to think about what they need to believe before they buy. What is their objections? What is their pains? So you need to address these things on your lead magnets. Okay, how to create an irresistible lead magnet? Number one is easy to consume and digest. It's not complicated. It's not telling you to create a master class, a 10-hour courses. Okay? Which is instantly actionable. Okay? Which should be specific. It's not broad. For example, let's talk about weight loss. You may address the lead magnet is about the food for weight loss. It's not about how to weight loss. These two block, right? If you talk about the list of the food will help you to weight loss if you eat every day. So, for example, what is the example of the lead magnets? Number one, checklist, cheat sheet. Okay, something like bullet point checklist. Something they can, even they don't take action, they will consume the value. Okay, they get value instantly from you. Let's say I take this checklist, which is the bullet points about weight loss. Maybe walk 1 hour per day, drink 8 ounces of water, something like that. If I don't take action, I just look this checklist and throw away. I still consume the thing instantly. Make sense? So you can use video for lead magnet, which I like to use, which is really short videos. Now you can break the videos for a couple of days, but each day should be a short video, just 3 to 5 minutes, okay? Because when first time people come to your place, they don't know you. If you create the videos is too long, they can't watch that long video if they don't know you, right? Again, templates and swipe file, something can copy and deploy, okay? Case study, okay? Let's say you have a case study about Facebook ad, how you generating 10Ks in 30 days by using Facebook ad. You analyze about the data of this case, something like this. Okay, next example, blueprint, mind map. Okay, now don't use ebook for lead magnet. This is the worst because if you give away a 200 pages ebook is they need to digest. It's a painful process. People don't like to read the book if they don't know this person, right? Makes sense. So you just Also, ebook is hard to create, right? But if checklist, wipe file template, a single video case study is easier to create, right? Okay, let's talk about opt-in page, right? How to create high converting opt-in page. You need two components, which is good headline as to be simple, as less distraction as possible. Let's talk about the headline. The headline formula. This is I like to use, and it works really well. So number one is free giveaway. That means the lead magnet that generating results. For example, free checklist that allows me to generating 10k in 30 days with Facebook ads. Okay, second formula. A number of steps. Again, giveaway that generating result in a time frame. Okay, so for example, 3-step blueprint that allows me to drop 10 pounds in 30 days. Really sexy title, right? Two more headline formula. This one, free giveaway generated results without the thing they hate. Okay, for example, free recipe that allows me to get rid of belly fat without starving myself. Really sexy title again, right? This title, number 4. Watch how this simple giveaway generated result. Watch how this simple video allows me to get rid of belly fat in 30 days, right? It's a little bit curiosity in this type of title, right? So people, after watch this title, I want to see how simple this video, right? This is trigger the physiology, right? Again, you can use bullet point after the headline, right? The bullet point is purpose is to answering the objections. For example, the bullet point can be no experience required, because people will doubt themselves. I don't have experience in technical things. Is this for me, right? So another objection is age restriction. No age restriction. So people will think, am I too old? I'm 60 years old, right? Is this for me? So again, vegan or keto friendly. Is for weight loss, maybe you selling recipe or give away a recipe, something like this. It's to answering the objections, right? To make people feel more comfortable, to make people think this is for me. Okay. Okay, the next one, text in the action button. This is I like to use and work really well. Number one is yes, send me the something giveaway. That means the lead magnet. This is to trigger the emotion, the excitement, right? The second is the short form. Get the lead magnet now. Don't use this type of subscribe, right? Because people think, what's the benefit of subscribe, right? I recommend you use 2-step opt-in. It's better because you trigger the psychology of micro commitment. What that mean is the more little steps, people will more likely will commit to the end, right? Which is a skill of marketing. That means a pop-up box. That means a button. The page don't have the opt-in form, and when you click on the button, will have a pop-up box. The pop-up box will have the opt-in form, right? Now A/B split test. Again, always split test, okay? Because you can always improve your performance of the opt-in page, right? Now only split test one element at each single test. That means you don't want to change the headline and the images and the button at the same time, right? You need to apple to apple, because you don't know is the headline work or the images work. Okay. So for example, if you just split testing the headline, bullet points, images, button, colors, everything can split test. Okay. So let's talk about the example of the opt-in page. Okay. Now this one is from Pengjoon. Okay. Now you can see Pengjoon is use this type of really, really simple opt-in page. It shouldn't be complicated. Okay. Now free template download. His lead magnet is the Facebook templates. He talk about the benefits, bullet points, some sort of things. Right. His action button is really simple. Just download now. Sometimes short form can work really, really well, right? So you need to split test. This one, free download and the benefits, right? He also have a images to drive curiosity, right? Because the red circle, people will think about, what's that? I want to see. So they will opt in is to drive curiosity. This one, the little back book of billionaire secret. And he have a short paragraph talk about the stories and the bullet points, some sort of things, right? This one from one page funnel is the template and video training. And the headline talk about the benefits, right? Lead generation funnel with zero tech overwhelm. You can see he used the two-step opt-in. Pengjoon again, two-step opt-in. This one use one-step opt-in. Now you can split test one-step or two-step opt-in. Okay, but I find that two-step opt-in, the performance is better, right? This one is about drive curiosity. Okay, about learning the secrets that most men will never know about women. Inside you will learn, and he talk about the benefits for the bullet points, answering the objections. This one is from Russell Brunson's free download. Get my top 22 sales funnels, which is the result he generated for the giveaway, the free inside new funnel cookbooks, right? This one from Neil Patel. This is the formula I mentioned above, which is the 3-step process I've used to build the result, which is for multiple $1 million business. This title worked really, really well. So let's talk about traffic, free traffic and paid traffic. Now on my channel, I have a couple of the videos talk about free traffic. So if you are interested, you can click on my channel and watch those videos, right, about free traffic. Now, free traffic, what I recommend is YouTube, which is for long term, but initially it's low. It leads to consistency, okay? TikTok is fast and organic reach is insane in this time, okay? You can use TikTok for your free traffic, because when you have 1,000 followers, you can put your website link on your profile. Facebook networking. I know some of people work really well, crush it with Facebook networking, okay? But I don't like this method. Why? Because it is kind of like network marketing, which require manual process. You DM people's directly, okay? Which what I like is passive income, which I create content on YouTube, is I attracting people. If you use Facebook networking, it's about you finding people. It's you hustling, okay? I don't like hustle. I like to create kind of like passive income, okay? Pay traffic, PPC, everybody know, Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, etc. Now you can pay for influencer. So if your YouTube channel or your Instagram don't have too much followers, you can pay for the influencer, use their authority for the shout out, for the Facebook promo, for the YouTube promo, right? Which work really well, but you need to test, right? I recommend you test a small amount at each time, okay? If it work really well, just add a little more amount. Maybe you pay for, I don't know, maybe $20 at the first time. Next time you want to test more, maybe $40. Don't go crazy initially about $1,000, something like that. You got the idea, right? Now, if you have any question, leave your comment below. If this video have anything unclear, leave your comment and I will answer your question, okay? So, by the way, if you want my exact strategy, my framework, how I use the strategy to quit my 9 to 5 with affiliate marketing, you can check out the link in the description. I will send you the information. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, which will help my channel growth. I will appreciate. And I see you in the next video.